Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute. I hope you guys liked that other video though. I did vlog and I put the photos of the photo shoot of my daughter. So I did have a video not too long ago, so if you haven't seen it, go check that out. But today's video is going to be a Ipsy unbagging. I just got this in about 20 minutes ago, so I don't know anything about what I got. I have not cheated except the bag. I wanted to see what the bag looks like because I always want to see what the bag looks like. So that's what we're going to do. If you don't know what Ipsy is, where have you been? But no, I will put the link of the Ipsy website. You guys can check that out. You pay $10 a month and you get like 5 products monthly, which is pretty cool. And then you take like a little survey thing. Sometimes you get products that you like, sometimes you get products that you don't like. So I can't remember last month. I think I liked a little. I think I liked maybe like 2 things on my Ipsy bag. I'm not too sure. I can't remember because I just blanked out. I have so much going on. But I want to take out the little card out before I even show you what the bag looks like, because the little card is in the bag. So we're going to open that up, and it says a new now in season fresh spring beauty. Oh, now they're giving you the little card of what you got and stuff, and I do not want to look at that. So it just says build your dream bag, and then this is what it looks like. So it's like fruity stuff. So I don't know if everyone got a different type of fruit bag, but my bag looks like this, which I could not be any happier because I love lemons. Like lemons, making my mouth watery right now. But true story, when I was pregnant with my oldest, Destiny, we had a lemon tree outside, and I literally made Dan like go outside and peel out lemons, and so I can eat them because I would crave them. I would crave lemons and I would crave candy apples. Addison was just fruit. I always wanted water, which was weird, and water and fruit. I think that's what it was basically with her. And pickles. So anyway, I like lemons. I really like lemons, and I really like the material because it is that same material that I like, where it's easy to clean if you get anything on there. I don't like cloth makeup bags because you get them dirty. It's really hard to clean. Then you have to wash them, and then it stains, and it's like a hassle. I like the yellow zipper and the little yellow tassel thingy right here. It looks really cute. So, but before I even show you what's in here, I had a product that was in the bag, and I could not be happy because I ran out of masks. So I got 2 masks. Really? I can't even speak. I love sheet masks. I mean, I like masks in general, but sheet masks are my favorite because it's just one of those days that you're just having a long day, or you're tired, or you're stressed. Just relax, wash your face, put a sheet mask, and you just take it off, and you're already in bed. Just rub it in and throw the mask away, rather than getting up and washing your face, blah blah, all over again. So they gave me 2. So this one is broccoli. It's vegan approved, plumping mask. And yeah, it just says a plump mask. So this is by Dr. Huang Beauty Lab, I think is what it is. So me looking at that Huang or whatever, it looks like a, I don't know, K-beauty product or a J-beauty product, which can be Korean or Japanese. But I love Asian beauty products. Like, they have some really nice shit. And then this one is the other one. It says vegan approved also, and it's red fruits brightening mask. Solution for uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. This one was for signs of aging, tired skin, lack of vitality, whatever it is. And then this one right here. So those are cool. I'm excited to have those. I always buy sheet masks for the girls, and I bought them a whole bunch of them for Christmas, and they use them every now and then. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the next product. This is really freaking cute. It matches my nails. But I don't know, I'm getting into a lot of like the Tiffany blue. Maybe just the springtime. I don't know. Or it could be that I was inspired by Daisy Marquez wig and her new palette that she came out with, which I need to get because I really want it. I just have not had time. But anyway, look at the freaking drawing on this. Like, this is really cute and adorable. That this is really, really cool. This is insanely cute. I swear, if I ever come up with my own beauty line, I would so get my niece to come up with some really cool art. Like, she's freaking amazing. But this kind of reminds me of her. Like, this is really, really cool. Okay, it says moods. Then, oh shit, this is like an eyeshadow. This is really, really pretty. Look at that color. Oh, if you guys don't know, I love anything that's blue and green. Like, those are my colors that I love for eyeshadow. Obviously not today. Today's yellow and peach. But most of the time that you see me, I'm always wearing a blue or green, or if I'm going out, I'll be wearing like a smoky gray, black, silver. But color wise, like, I love blues and I love greens. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look at that. Woo! That is like a water, reminds me of like the water at a cruise, like a Korean type of thing. Not that I've ever been there, but I've seen pictures. How sad. Okay, so this is really cute, and it doesn't, this is from Laura Sanchez Products, which is pretty cool. I never heard of her, so I'm excited to go on the website to see what other cool stuff she has down her makeup line. So the next thing is the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain. I've been getting into like lip stains, like where I just want, this is a really freaking pretty color. This is by the Balm, right? Yeah, the Balm Jiggity. That is a really pretty color. That's like down my alley. So I cannot wait to try that out. Addison has been getting into like glosses and a little bit of like lipsticks lately. So every time we go somewhere, she puts one on. So I know that this is kind of like her, down her alley as well. Like, she's been wearing like really nice like lippy colors like that. I'm going to take this off for now. Okay, so the third one is Ico Black Magic. So I've had this before, and I'm not going to want to open it because I have one, and this is a really, really good eyeliner. A really, really good eyeliner. Oh, might as well just open it and show you guys. So that is what the tip looks like, and I ran out of mine. Look at that, like really nice. You could do like a nice sharp wing. So this I have tried, and I actually really love it. So I'm excited that I got another one. And then the next one is this big old thing. Oh no. Really? Oh, I've never owned any of their products before. I always wanted to, but I haven't. Oh my god. I got an Ofra highlighter, which I'm excited because now I could be like, I got an Ofra highlighter. So this is what it looks like. I really, really like this. Woo, that is so freaking pretty. I've never owned any of their highlighters. I've seen stuff. I know, like, oh, look at that. The girls have a pageant coming up, and this would look beautiful on Destiny because it's more of like her, like, because Addison would be more like a little bit lighter for her. But this one will look amazing on her when she's on stage representing herself. That is freaking pretty. I am excited for this. This is a Rodeo Drive. So that is it for what I got in my Ipsy bag. Honestly, I like every single thing this month. The bag, the highlight, the mask. This really cute little eyeshadow, little lip stain, and an eyeliner, because I always am craving for extra eyeliners, liquid eyeliners that is. So I'm gonna say that this bag this month is a 2 thumbs up. I actually really like everything in it, and yeah, so if you get Ipsy, let me know what you guys got in your bag. And yeah, that is about it. I do not have eyelashes today, guys, so that's probably why I look a little weird. I've been so tired that my eyes literally feel heavy, and yeah. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys like this quick, to the point, fast video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam that subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. And I do have another vlog video coming up for you guys. Yeah, it was a vlog, and during the vlog I went to go see the movie after. Oh my God, so much I have to say about that, which will be the next video. But anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye.